everybody, and we are here today and we are going to be making slime and what fun stuff you can be able to put in it. So, and we're also going to be showing towards the end of the video of what types of stuff you can put the slime in to make really fun gifts for family, friends.
Nice.
So to have a really good time making it and have a really good time giving it too. So, let's get into it, Kinley. I got the same thing. So this is McKinley, I'm Abigail, and well, it's early November and we've heard some Christmas music already, and I think it's just driving us a little bit crazy.
It's a disgrace.
Yeah, we're those people where it's like we don't really like Christmas music until like after or like a day before Thanksgiving, which I personally love.
All of Thanksgiving stuff is on sale. This is a disgrace.
Okay, let's get started.
Oh gosh. Yay.
Alright, so making clear slime. So first we are going to First we're going to be using clear glue, and we're going to be First we're going to be using some clear glue.
A clear observation.
What am I going to do with you? Alright, so first it's clear glue, okay? See, it's supposed to be kind of funny. Okay. Oh, so
Get it together, McKinley.
yes. So we're going to be using clear glue, and we're going to be putting about 4 ounces into it to make our slime.
Do you need some assistance?
No. You don't? Okay. No. Yeah. So it's about 4 ounces. And I'm going to be pouring it into this clear bowl.
I don't even know if they can see anything.
Yeah.
I can't even see
It's
anything.
a clear
It's
bowl
so
with clear glue.
Oh, look at the
And a clear cup.
Oh, do you know those like dessert shows that they do like drizzle things on, and kind of like you just
Drizzle.
Such a shame we can't really see it. Actually, there's little tiny bubbles in it, but that's actually kind of fascinating.
So,
Wait, I need the same thing, right?
yeah. And then we are going to be adding 3 teaspoons of saline solution. So this is a type of activator. There are lots of other activators that you can be able to use, but today we're going to be using this one. So I'm going to be doing 3 teaspoons.
Drizzle.
Can I get your teaspoon?
You're messing up my process. Explain to us what this wonderful process is.
So we're going to be doing 3 teaspoons of saline solution as our activator.
I have a fancy bottle. That one and this one don't look the exact
Right,
same.
I think this is a teaspoon. This is a tablespoon.
At least
You handed me the wrong one.
I'm sorry.
And I didn't even notice.
I didn't do it.
So
Okay, this is a daily struggle if I'm cooking or something. They usually do TSP and TBSP. That's so trippy. I don't understand this world sometimes, and I just need to make it more distinct of tablespoon and teaspoon, because I have done way too many mistakes with tablespoon and teaspoon. It's a daily struggle. Where's the
3
other tablespoon? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Three. Okay. We got 3 tablespoons.
Can I have that? No, thank you very much. Did you notice Abigail's artwork on this thing? Ba-bam! She just got magnifical.
with it. Then 1 tablespoon of you can like add glitter glue and stuff to it, or add other things to make it look the way that you would like. But today I'm going to be adding it after it's already made, so I'm going to be skipping that part. Then I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of get it over here, baking soda. So to make sure as another ingredient, so I put it inside this hot water. And so you want to have about a cup of hot water, and you want to add it slowly into your slime, and then like start mixing it, and then add more and more if to what you would like. So let's try this. I'll just
Stop it.
Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna stir it and see if that works.
I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon. I absolutely blew. I don't know if that was you or that was me, but it blew some of the little 1 teaspoon of these little foam balls and put it into my thing to give it slime, to give it texture. Okay, now I'm going to add, let's see what this Arm and Hammer special recipe has for us today. 2 teaspoons of baking soda, Arm and Hammer. Can you please pass? Oh, never mind. Excuse me, Mom. I'm sorry.
So I think I might have added a little bit. Oh, actually, no, never mind. I thought I added too much water because it kind of had a liquidy feel, but you just need to knead it a little bit, and then that will go away. So it's working out.
I just realized the Arm & Hammer is already in the water. This baking soda is already in the water, so I'm going to just add water slowly, and you'll just start mixing it up. Just add a little bit, and then start mixing it up so it's not super slimy, or soupy is the word that I would use. Are you having fun? Oh, yeah. Sounds like fun. I don't understand. I mean, I can kind of see why people are addicted to just looking at like texture-y things, but I don't understand how it's so popular.
Just hear it.
I don't.
Just listen to the sound. Yes, it is good.
So that's how people test. That's how people test bread. Is they just like squeeze it and listen to the sound. Just be like, it's fresh. It's perfect.
And so now here comes the other fun part. Put this over there. Me is clumsy. I don't want to spill that water. So here comes the fun part.
What? Did I miss something? Ooh, my
Fun part. It keeps coming out wrong.
What? Are you saying fun part?
It sounds like if I'm saying fun part with a P. Okay. I hear it now. Okay.
Pointed it out.
So here comes
Sounds
the enjoyable
like part, people. I'm just pointing it out so you're not like just wondering, what are they thinking? What are they thinking? Is that what you were saying?
Yes. So
Look at it. I'm proud of myself. Oh no, it's getting everywhere. What is flick some of it up?
It's magnificent, Italy. So for me, I'm going to be splitting my slime up into 2 different parts. I'm going to be using this I can never say this word. Pigments type
All
of
this stuff will be in the link in the description, so if you guys are interested in trying this out for yourself. So
it's like a little baby container. So I'm going to be using this type of glittery paint stuff. So this pigment, and I'm going to be putting in the slime. And I suggest putting this in after it's made, and then clear slime. So
I'm sorry, I'm not too.
So that way it looks really good. So let's try it out.
I'm just kneading my slime right now just so I can get it into a really nice slime. It kind of needs me as much as I need it, so it's funny.
Don't let it be a pigment of imagination.
Oh, it's getting everywhere. I want to blow it.
No, Kinley.
Don't do it. A little dust particle, okay? You can't blame me for just.
I do.
Now I'm going to add color to mine. Ooh. So, some people add it before, some people add the color before, like the activator in the baking soda and the contact solution, just so that you can mix it into it better, but, we're going to add it after we activated it, just so hopefully it'll be more of a clear substance. So I am choosing a kind of light green color. Are you having fun?
Look at my hands, they're so glittery. So your hands might be a little bit glittery after you paint it, but it washes out pretty easily, and it's really fun.
Yeah.
So whenever
This will definitely get on your hand.
Whenever you're using these type of colors, it'll get on your hand a little bit while you're kneading it, but then as you go do it longer and longer, it'll
listen to this one.
snot.
It looks like a booger, but it's snot. Do you get it? It does. See. It looks like a booger, but it's really snot.
I can't, Kinley. It's too much.
You love me, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, now it's on me. Oh boy.
Just look at that. Doesn't that look like spacey?
Snot.
Don't pop it.
I'm gonna pop it.
I want to pop it.
Why
Pop
did
it.
I not even do a dent in it?
You want to pop it?
Wait.
This is your chance, Kinley.
Wait. Mine has like multiple bubbles in it. No. I'm losing control. Well, this is basically what our slime has come out to. Are you finished with yours?
I am finished with this one. So my second one. So for me, I am going to be doing my leftover slime, and I'm going to put these Orbeez. These are really fun.
Whoa! Did you see that?
No.
I actually did it a lot bigger than yours did. Sorry, continue what you're saying about the Orbeez. So hopefully if you guys let this sit over like night or something, it may become more clear if you just let it sit. But the more that I'm kneading it right now, it looks more of like a cloudy green kind of substance. And yes, it does give it a better texture having the little foam balls in, but yeah. So let's see what you're doing.
Back to the Orbeez. So with the Orbeez, we are going to be putting them into this clear slime. So let's see. So I'm going to make a little.
Wow! This is like a science project, kids.
Can I pop it?
No. It's already popped. It's tearing apart. You're tearing me apart. Are you making it into a sound? There it goes.
I swallowed.
Into the unknown. I just triggered for a lot of people. I just triggered a song reference. It just went into the unknown. You're thinking about it now, aren't you?
So I'm gonna put these Orbeez in. Just trying to make a smiley face, but
it rips.
smashing these Orbeez into it, and this is what it looks like afterwards.
Okay, I'll blow it at you. Ready? Wait. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Oh, wait.
Can I just pop it like that?
Oh, it's gonna pop.
Woo!
That's so cool.
Alright, Kinley, I just want to go. I just want to pop it.
Okay, hang on, dude. You continue. Wait. Continue. Show the camera what you did. Whoa.
Ah! I just thought I was making a big face like.
So these Orbeez, they you guys know what Orbeez are. They start off really, really small. I don't know, like about the size of a tiny little crumb, and then the largest they can get is about a marble size. So I think it's pretty fascinating.
They're about this
and very
big.
addicting.
I know it may look like I have nothing on my fingers, but there is something. I see it now.
Wait, if I could
This
just like.
little thing.
Oh, and
Abigail.
Abigail.
Oh,
Well, Abigail, would you describe to the camera how this experience was to you?
What?
That says it all.
It is very satisfying, fun. It's a lot. It's a lot of fun to do with your friends and family. It also makes very good gifts. So we have gotten these containers, and you can be able to put them in. It's really fun as a gift, so you can put it in there. So I made a little slime.
And
so
look at it.
And yeah, you can put it in there. It makes really fun gifts, and then they can also remember the slime. The sad thing is about slime, it eventually does
Wear down.
wear down after a couple of weeks. But how you can make it go longer is you can put it into a container and seal it up, so that way it stays a lot longer. So this is a really cute container you can put it in. And
Also Christmas ones.
yeah.
Seasonal.
So it's also, you can use them, and then you can also, whoever you're giving it to,
Almost like you can see right through me.
So
You get it?
yeah.
It's a phrase. Okay.
Okay,
Personal bubble.
you can use this, and then the people can use it as, like, can reuse the container. Like, they can put candy in it. They can put, like, little knickknacks on a desk.
Yes.
And so they can do all those. And I really like this container. I feel like it's very cute. And if you want to get these containers and the ingredients for the slime, we have it all down below. So
I'm like doing that fancy spinning on like those fancy commercials where they just spin them and make them look as good as possible. Look at this baby. Oh, bam!
These are really fun ways you can be able to store your slime. So here's this one. It's really fun.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I get too aggressive. I mean,
You can be able
I just get in the zone. Sorry, continue what you were saying. Please, I'll be quiet.
You can be able to put it in this one, and we also have this really fun one too. I love the cork and that's in it, so you can put slime in here. You can put slime in here too, and we also have this container. This can hold a lot bigger slime, so you can be able to do that.
Oh, whoa. We had done in the past we did a little bit of slime just to experiment and to see the best results. So, and there's also definitely these seasonal ones. I really like them because they're really cute, and you can use them again after the slime goes bad. If you put the slime in these containers, yeah, you can definitely use them for like cookies or seasonal things, or just really whatever you feel like.
Just make sure to wash them out whenever you're done with the slime.
Yeah. And you could also put it in cups, like these, and if they're clear, so definitely recommend. So yeah, hope you guys like this video,
And goodbye, and have a great week.
stick to it.